Little update on Beefy of Bedford. As we know, we got him back all looking sexy. Getting very dusty though. Check that out. Dusty as. Just chucked an exhaust stack on just for a bit of fun. Got to get them finished off as well. But the update, still only got a lot of other things to do, as you can see, going on. But we've got the engine and gearbox coming out of a donor Falcon outside in the next couple of weeks, and we're going to try and slot that in there and see how it fits. I do have the FG rear mount sump. I'm just waiting on the windage tray to turn up from the bloke I'm doing the deal with. But at least we can drop it in there and see how it all fits. But for now, I'll probably just be looking at doing the headlights and the mesh bits and a few little just tidy up features for now. Nothing major. Sort of got a lot of other bigger things I've got to try and sort out for friends and that right now. So that's the update on Beefy. So we're still going, and we also got, which I keep forgetting about, the roll bar hoop sitting in there for the safety belt mounts. We've got to put in there soon, so see if that fits. But if you want to keep seeing more of that, hit the subscribe and follow along.